In this video, I am going to show you how to change the language of the Instagram.com website. But first, I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers, I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, you should open the website on your device. After that, you should tap on the profile button down below in this left side column. After that, you should scroll down and go to the bottom of the screen, and here you can see this the default language option or the current language of the website, and if you would like to change it, just tap on it, and here you can find a bunch of other languages that you can choose from. So just simply tap on the relevant one, and then the language of the whole website will be changed, as you can see it in a few seconds. So here you can see that it has been changed, and you can set it back by tapping on this same button and select from these options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.